Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10, Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. So once we have a brand new window in our Windows machine, so we don't have Chrome by default. So we have Microsoft Edge by default. So I am more comfortable with Chrome. So I want to download and install Chrome on my Windows machine. So first of all, open the Edge browser and type here Chrome download. Now from here, click on download now. Then download. So once the setup is download, click on open file and on that, click on yes. So it will take a little time according to your internet speed. So once the process is done, you can see our Chrome is installed. And if you have an account on Google, you can sign in. And if you don't want, just click on down sign in. So you can see, just scroll down, more over, and click on got it. Let's try to search something. So we have successfully installed Chrome in our Windows 10 11 machine. So good luck, guys.